Hello and welcome to another lecture in free course on Blackarch Linux by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like introduction to Blackarch Linux, which covers uh, overview, key features, target audience, like what is the target audience for Blackarch Linux. Then we had covered overview of Blackarch Linux. Then we had covered setup and installation of Blackarch Linux on AWS Cloud. Now in this lecture, we'll talk about setup and installation of Blackarch Linux on GCP cloud. Okay, so uh, in this comprehensive lecture, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of deploying Blackarch on GCP, configuring settings, enhancing security measures, managing resources efficiently, and integrating with GCP services. So let's dive in harness the power of the cloud for secure penetration testing. Our first step established is to launch Blackarch on GCP, and we'll walk you through the process step by step from provisioning a virtual machine to configuring network settings. We will ensure you have everything you need to get started with Blackarch in the cloud. Now our next step is we will explore the configuration option available during the installation process, from choosing the appropriate machine type and disk size to setting up the SSH access and firewall rules. We will provide an overview of customizable settings to tailor your Blackarch Linux deployment to your specific requirements. Security is paramount in any cloud deployment. Setting up Blackarch on GCP is no exception. We'll share some valuable tips and best practices for enhancing security measures during the setup process, including enabling encryption, configuring access control, and implementing logging and monitoring solutions to safeguard your Blackarch Linux environment. Efficient resources management is essential for optimized performance and effectiveness on GCP. We will discuss strategies for managing resources such as virtual machine, storage, and networking components to ensure optimal performance and scalability of your Blackarch deployment while minimizing cost. Finally, let's explore how Blackarch Linux are integrated with various GCP services to enhance functionality and workflow automation, from leveraging Google Cloud Storage for data storage and backup, utilizing to Google Cloud APIs for seamless integration with other GCP service. We will demonstrate the power of combining Blackarch Linux with GCP for comprehensive penetration testing in the cloud. So let's start our demonstration process. So go on any browser, search about techlatest.net website and click on product and support page. So here you can see that on product and support page, Blackarch Linux offering are there. Then you can see we will cover GCP deployment guide in this lecture. So click on GCP deployment guide. So you can find about all like whole guide, like step-by-step process. So you can also follow this guide. Okay. So what we have to do next, click on open Blackarch Linux on a Blackarch Linux VM marketplace listing on GCP marketplace. Okay. So what is our next step? Click on launch. It will take you the agreement page, accept the terms and agreements. Then it will show you the successfully agreed pop-up, select the zone. Now let's start our demonstration process. What we have to do next, click on launch button. So yep, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So yes, you can see that here you can see the name, that is deployment name. You can also select the zone according to your preference, then machine type, then series, boot disk. Now next what we have to do, click on deploy button. Then here you can see that Blackarch Linux 1 is being deployed, and so now you can see that our Blackarch Linux 1 has been deployed. So what we have to do next, click on instance button. So here you can find a lot of things like VM instance page details and other things also. So Here you can see that a lot of things are there. Then here you can see where you can find about the external IP address. Now, what is our next step? Click on SSL button and click on open in browser window. So this will open the terminal in the browser. So we have completed all these steps. Now what we have to do next, click copy this command, which is to connect Blackarch Linux command, run below command. Okay, so copy this command and paste in your browser, enter. So here you can see that it is successfully works. That is Blackarch Linux GUI Linux x86. Now what is our next step? So if the above command return error, response from daemon error, then run below command to start the Blackarch container and run the above command again. If you have any face any problem in running this command, then run this command, and then run this command. Okay. So yep. Then from the local Windows machine, go to start menu in the search and type VNC. If you don't have VNC installed on your Windows machine, first install the VNC viewer as per your device. So this is the VNC viewer. You can download according to your preference, which is Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. Okay. So yep. What we have to do next? So now you are connected out of the box environment on the machine. Search about VNC. I have already installed on my PC. Copy the IP address from VM instance detail page. Paste here. Click on connect to host. Click on continue. So now you can see that you are connected to out of the box environment. Okay, so here you can find about all the things like settings and accessories, Blackarch Linux tools, and you can explore all the things here. So yep, and internet options. There are a lot of options are here. So you can explore all the tools, Blackarch Linux tools, and other things. So yep, that's all about this video. And in conclusion, so in conclusion, setting up Blackarch on Google Cloud platform opens up a world of possibilities for secure penetration testing in the cloud. By following our step-by-step guide and leveraging customizable settings, security consideration, resource management strategies, and integration with GCP service, you will be equipped to deploy and manage Blackarch effectively on GCP for all your penetration testing needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the cloud. With Blackarch on GCP, you have the tools and resources you need to take your penetration testing to new heights. So, yep, that's all about this course. And